DreamWorks Animation proudly presents your hosts, Mr. Peabody and his boy, Sherman.
Alexa, play recently played songs.
Here are your recently played songs from Amazon Music.
Tonight we're drawing one of my favorites, ancient land mammals. My favorite, Toxodon. These distant ancestors of cattle have been one of my top favorites. They've been around since, well, I guess the same age as Macrauchenia, Dodocuris, and Megatherium. Here is Toxodon's feet. One thing about these guys is that they enjoy soaking near ponds and eating long grass in herds. I find this creature to be one interesting hero, and I'm proud to include this guy on my series. There he is, everyone. That's how you draw Toxodon.